In this tutorial, advanced visibility conditions and arithmetic operations on tags in labels. Activate the A button to enable these features. First, we'll use the command advanced visibility condition. Let's change it from always to operand 1 greater than operand 2. The label will show only if operand 1 is greater than operand 2. Operands can be constants or even tags. We copied UF's tag into operand 1, and we set operand 2 to 1. In this way, this label will be visible only if UF is greater than 1. Now, if it's greater than 2, label's text can contain anything. Tags can contain arithmetic operations. Just add equals after the opening angle bracket. You can use parentheses and the most common operators. Remember that you can insert multiple tag codes inside the angle brackets and use them as operators. You can even perform arithmetic operations inside advanced visibility operands. If you place the cursor on the tag and press the tag tool, you can change its decimal figures and unit.